Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. This is finished in a platinum gray metallic. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive. Start up here at the front hood. A few little minor rock chips right there. Nothing very significant. Really good shape considering the mileage. Jump up here to the driver front wheel. Excellent shape. No damage, no curb rash, no pitting, no corrosion, no nothing. And back here to the driver rear, about the same as the front, really good shape. It's got a few little marks there on the spoke. That's really about it. No curb rash. Got your rear parking sensors back here on the lower valence of the bumper. This does not have the tow package, so no trailer hitch that's installed in this car. Rear bumper's in really good shape. There's a few little minor scratches here from the cargo area. Nothing too significant. And over here to the passenger rear wheel, again, same as the others, really good shape. I don't see any marks on this one. Maybe just a little bit of tire shine residue there on the lower spoke and the lip. Should wipe right off. No problems. And finally up here to the passenger front wheel. Same as the others. So 4 out of 4, really nice wheels, very little damage. You'll know at the top there, and this is really nitpicking, but that minor little spot there on the lip, that's really about it. So overall, really good shape exterior wise. I'm gonna move to the interior. You've got a Titan black interior, and these are the Sport Techs, or actually I should say the Perforated V-Tech seats. These back seats look brand new. There's no dimples in the seats from child seats or anything like that. And sorry, it's a little dark. We've had a little bit of cloudy weather here this evening. You do have the all-weather monster mats there down below. And up front to the business end, power mirrors, heated mirrors. Power driver's seat with lumbar. And even these front seats, again, look excellent shape. No wear on the bolsters or anything like that. Nice big LCD touchscreen here. Got your dual zone climate control for the driver and passenger. You've got your 3-stage heated front seats and your heated steering wheel. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission with select drive modes. And you've got your nice multi-function steering wheel there. And nice digital instrument cluster. As you can see, mileage there, 78,768. This was definitely a commuter car, but really good shape. Nice big panoramic sunroof there. And you've got your roof rails. This does have the blind spot assist and mitigation front and rear. So this one's ready to go, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call, 614-793-1050.